To fix an Orbi router with a blinking white light, it is essential to understand the causes of this issue. The blinking white light on an Orbi router typically indicates that the device is experiencing a problem during its boot-up process or is trying to update its firmware. First, ensure that the power cord is securely connected to both the router and the power outlet. If the connection is loose, tighten it and wait for a few minutes to see if the issue resolves itself. Next, try restarting the Orbi router. This can be done by unplugging the power cord, waiting for 30 seconds, and then plugging it back in. This simple step can often resolve connectivity issues and stop the blinking white light. If the issue persists, check for any firmware updates. Log in to the Orbi router's web interface. Navigate to the advanced settings and look for the firmware update option. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install any available updates. Another possible cause of the blinking white light is a problem with the internet connection. Check the modem and ensure it is turned on and functioning correctly. Also, verify that all cables are securely connected to the correct ports. In some cases, the blinking white light may be due to a hardware issue. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to reset the Orbi router to its factory settings. This can be done by locating the small reset button on the back of the device and pressing it for 10 seconds. After trying these steps, the blinking white light on the Orbi router should stop, and the device should function normally. If the issue persists, it may be necessary to contact the manufacturer's support team for further assistance. By following these steps, users can quickly and easily resolve the issue of a blinking white light on their Orbi router and ensure a stable and reliable internet connection. Remember to always check the power connection, restart the device, and look for firmware updates before attempting more complex troubleshooting steps.